can see to the right we have Tilt, Get Tilted, playing at Tilt. Ta-da! It's like a typical mall. You got your clothing stuff, you got your food stuff, you got your entertainment stuff. I think Ala Moana we have one of the big malls anyways. Ala Moana is the only mall that does not have a movie theater. Kahala has, this mall has, and
Ala Moana is the largest open mall in the world. I searched it up.
good for you. Our viewers could have done that. Less work for you guys.
Is this the second biggest mall on Oahu? I think so, right?
Put all the pieces together.
Yeah, so there's Uptown and
Ala Moana might be bigger.
so over there is supposed to show them that they are renovating.
Bam! Now, just like Ala Moana, we got Gen Gen coming.
It's Korean though, so how would you pronounce it? Gen, yeah.
It's they don't know how to spell it in Korean.
So we're going up here?
We're gonna go up. We're taking the monorail.
Ah,
It's the only mall that has a monorail.
yes. So this is the downtown food court. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's temporarily closed for service, but this is the monorail. Dang it. We gotta go exercise. So they got chicken company, Sparrow, Bob Factory, Yummies. McDonald's used to be there, but now it's Burger King, which used to be downstairs. I don't know what happened to the one that was here before. Yeah, there's Panda's Express. And then one of my favorite desserts here in Pearl Ridge is cinnamon. And then there is the Pearl Ridge West Theater, consolidated. And that's the subway. And then they renovated the seating area too. CPK outside. Look down here, you usually see a bunch of cats. They're not here today. Oh, here's one. Here's a cat. Do you see it? Right there.
Alright, now that we said hi to all our friends, now we're headed to an escape room challenge.
What is it called? Hawaii Room Escape?
Something like that, however.
Yeah. So they also have sometimes like displays.
This is all Spanish.
So we haven't. Have you been to one? We've never been to one. Never been to one. But I don't think we can record in there, so we're only gonna just like purchase the tickets, and then you guys tour bus.
$28 per person. Private Sunday is $32 per person.
And we're done. That's how fast it took. That was like less than 3 minutes. So you have to book online. And they're all booked.
Yeah. Next one isn't open till 3:30. So this is Snorlax uses Hyper Beam.
This is Buckingham Construction. Honolulu.
Okay.
That's
Next one. This one, Powers and oh yeah, it is.
Also, if you want to vote, you put a cat. That's chocolate.
Okay, next. This one's Green Goblin. This one's a Green Goblin. Norman I like this one. Dragon Ball. So cute. This is the best, I think. Yeah? What do you think? Which one would you go for? I like Goku the best. Yeah, it looks the best made. Like it's sharp.
Shark.
Yeah. And the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
This one's cool too. Small access. This one's twice already.
I like the mouth.
We are now upstairs. All of you ladies, get your bra and panty on.
Victoria's Secret. Yeah, box lunch. They also have this at Alamana too, though. I see. Arby's? Oh, okay.
Guys, so we just finished eating. Right in front of the club. Basically a place where you can buy books, CDs, DVDs, games, all that. I think they're all used. Some of them might be new. But I don't know. We need to read more. Check it out. camping gear, fishing gear, things like that.
This is what it looks like.
Do you know what Hanapaa stands for?
Stick this in the fish's mouth, out the gills, and it floats.
What is that?
It's to keep your fish when you spear it.